Welcome to Ras Raga at Tours Gallery.
Very pretty चनिया चोली set options मिल जाएंगे आपको. Very pretty pieces in different color combinations. Something like this. थोड़ा vintage look में अगर आपको जाना है तो वो भी मिल जाएगा. If you want something festive, then we have that also in different and unique designs. Look at that. Very pretty pieces. Something unique, something different. Lovely jewelry भी है हमारे पास. Very pretty. Again some festive collection. Beautiful. Look at that. We have different kinds of चनिया चोली options. Blouses के भी options हैं. We have the very pretty bandage collection as well. This is brand Swara by Ruchita.
Hi.
And we will check out her collection. उन्होंने जो पहना है that is also from her collection. So if you want this beautiful piece, you can take it from her. Yes ma'am, आ जाइए. So if you want something in hot pink with black का combination, वो है उनके पास. The classic combination of purple and green. She also has something in pastel, so you can check that out as well. Look at that. Very pretty, beautiful, as well as this piece. So this is brand Treasures and they are into silver jewelry. तो आपको अगर wedding collection के लिए कुछ चाहिए, नवरात्रि के लिए you want something, then you can definitely check them out. They have different options in different pieces. थोड़े अलग style के jewelry में अगर आपको जाना है तो you can check them out. They also have these earrings के options. Look at that. Something for party wear if you're looking for. नवरात्रि के लिए if you're looking for. Beautiful Afghani भी है. This is brand Violet and let's check out their collection. Yes ma'am. So beautiful set options में अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए. Very pretty and match with the blouse दुपट्टा. दुपट्टा के भी उनके पास options हैं. Very pretty, beautiful looking dupattas. All ombre effect वाले भी हैं. Lovely. And then they have blouses as well. So you will find that here too. Look at that. So you can mix and match. So this is brand J Designer Studio and they have come up with beautiful separates as well as set options. तो अगर आपको ऐसे कुछ चाहिए, you are going to get that as well. Beautiful options हैं उनके पास. Look at that. If you want something in black, definitely you can go for this one. Okay. Set options में भी आपको बहुत सारी choices मिल जाएंगी. Very pretty, पूरा ombre look में है. Beautiful. Along with that, उनके पास blouses के भी बहुत सारे options हैं and dupatta options as well. Up to 30% on their entire collection. This is brand Femme Viva and they have brought beautiful festive tissue में है. Very pretty. Okay. Color options आपको मिल जाएंगे.
Sizes and color can be
Sizes as well. Colors can be customized. Look at that. So for Diwali, this is a perfect brand. Look at that. And up to 30% है. So why not shop? Again, this is brand Femme Viva.
linen one piece.
Linen one pieces में भी option है. Very pretty. Okay.
Cords में है.
We have options in quad sets also. Look at that. Very pretty. Multicolored floral look if you are looking for. तो वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा. Very pretty. Beautiful options.
Kurta pant में भी.
Kurta pants also. So for your routine work as well. Very.
Hello.
This is Avran by Urmi and she has brought a beautiful collection of bandage dupattas as well as dress material. Yes ma'am.
Hello. This is all our dupattas. This is black Garchola dupattas.
Okay.
This dupatta in orange color.
Alright.
This is for haldi.
Beautiful.
Black one, red one. Which color you want?
Very pretty. So એમની પાસે બહુ જ બધા કલર્સ ના ઓપ્શન છે. Look at that.
All are right bandage.
All are rai bandage. Very pretty. Okay.
Very unusual colors.
Absolutely. Very pretty. Beautiful. So many options. And as I say that bandage never goes out of style. They also have some materials.
All are kurta fabrics in muslin.
Kurta fabric in muslin.
You can make it kaftans from it.
Okay.
There are different patterns.
Okay.
These all are in shiboris.
Beautiful.
This in pan.
My brand name is Anushthan by Mittal and Nidhi. We
Yes.
have a men's collection.
Very good. I think for all the men's, they have a lot of options this Navratri. Look at that. Very cool, suave looking kurtas. तो आप ट्विन मैच भी कर सकते हो। मूविंग ऑन टू शी हैज़ ब्यूटिफुल ऑप्शंस ऑफ ज्वेलरी जिसमें हासली की मुझे बहुत ही सुंदर डिज़ाइंस दिख रही हैं, वेरी प्रिटी। ऑल्सो शी हैज़ these कॉडी पैच वर्क वाले पीसेज, yes, something that she is wearing, something delicate if you want to go for that, तो वो भी options आपको मिल जाएंगे। And then she has something for ladies as well, don't worry, we have options for you as well। So पूरे set options आपको मिल जाएंगे यहाँ पे, very pretty, look at that, very pretty। So if you want to go for something fusion, थोड़ा trendy yet something traditional, these are the right pieces for you, look at that, beautiful। So this is brand Tavisha Jewels and they have brought beautiful 9 to 5 silver के options। These are 18 karat gold plated कड़ा options अगर आपको wedding look के लिए कुछ चाहिए। उसके साथ साथ उनके पास बहुत सुंदर options हैं for jewelry if you're looking for statement pieces, look at that। Along with that they have studs, earrings में कड़ा options हैं, they have some statement rings के options। अगर आपको थोड़ा ऐसा antique look में जाना है, they have everything here, beautiful।
Hi, my name is Krishna. My brand name is Kritya. મારી પાસે નવરાત્રીના બ્લાઉઝીસ છે મલ્ટી કચ્છી પ્લસ બનારી
Okay,
એન્ડ ગામઠી વર્ક બ્લાઉઝ
very pretty,
એન્ડ મિરર વર્ક
okay,
એન્ડ હેન્ડ ફૂલ मिरर
Very
एंड
pretty.
विंटेज
vintage look में अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए तो वो भी मिल, okay,
फ्लेयर इज 18 मीटर फ्लेयर
very lovely,
ओरिजिनल बनारसी ब्लाउज
beautiful, lovely, look at that। So this is brand Shudevyam and they have got beautiful collection of chaniya cholis, separate options, dupatta as well, yes ma'am,
Yes, this is my Banarasi collection,
okay,
and I have the variety of the white chaniya cholis also,
okay,
different colors in Banarasi also,
okay,
and I have this Rangila collection also
wow, look
with
at
the
that,
Banarasi border and everything.
beautiful,
Yes, I have this Upada collection also.
okay, upada collection, okay, very pretty,
And I have this kind of beautiful border.
okay,
I
wow,
have different colors in this.
okay, all
There's
right,
mauve color, blue color, red color.
Okay.
And I have badla skirts also.
Okay.
Ombre skirts also available with the
Okay.
12-meter fairs. Different kind of blouses are available. Mixed match blouses are available.
all
Kachhi
right,
blouses are available.
beautiful, and then she
Banarasi
also
blouses
has
also.
a lot of options in dupattas as well। So this is brand Case Choli and she has come up with beautiful unstitched blouse के options with the लहंगा एज वेल, लुक एट दैट। सो आप अपने तरीके से उसको कस्टमाइज करवा सकते हैं, वट एवर स्टाइल यू वॉन्ट यू कैन डू दैट। आई थिंक दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट। इफ़ यू वांट समथिंग इन हॉल्टर नेक, ट्यूब टॉप, या फिर आपको ट्रेडिशनल में जाना है, यू कैन डिसाइड, लवली। सो शी हैज़ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस, लाइट फैब्रिक्स, कंफर्टेबल फैब्रिक्स हैं, बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस हैं उनके पास, लुक एट दैट, वेरी प्रिटी, ब्यूटिफुल। शी ऑल्सो हैज़ दुपट्टा के ऑप्शन, सो वो भी आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे, मिक्स एंड मैच कर सकते हो आप। अलॉन्ग विद दैट आई विल शो यू समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, लुक एट हर हेयर एक्सेसरी, very pretty। if you want more options for that then they have lot of options here as well, rubber bands के भी options हैं, very pretty। so this is brand Meru Shri and they have a very beautiful offer for these 2 days only। जब वो exhibit कर रहे हैं वो ब्लाउज स्टिचिंग फ्री में दे रहे हैं, बट ओनली एंड ओनली फॉर दीज 2 days, राइट मैम?
today and tomorrow.
टुडे एंड टुमारो। सो इफ यू वांट टू टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ इट तो आपको आना पड़ेगा तर्ज गैलरी।
फटाफट से आ जाइए
Yes.
तर्ज गैलरी, टुडे एंड टुमारो। ब्लाउज स्टिचिंग इज टोटली फ्री।
लवली। सो दिस इज ब्रांड मेरू श्री, ब्यूटिफुल ऑप्शंस उनके पास, लवली, ओके,
विद शेडेड दुपट्टा,
वेरी प्रिटी, ब्यूटिफुल ऑप्शंस। उनके पास ड्रेस मटेरियल के भी ऑप्शंस हैं, तो अगर आपको फेस्टिव में, गिफ्टिंग में यूज करने हैं, अपने आप के लिए भी यूज करने हैं।
सब अनस्टिच ब्लाउज का फैब्रिक्स है, हैंडवर्क का है।
ओके, वेरी प्रिटी, ऊपर भी
सब
फेस्टिव के लिए
दुपट्टाज
है।
है। दुपट्टा की रेंज भी हमारी 300 से स्टार्ट होती है।